Hi everyone. Hi Rahul. Hi Nazia. Hi Kailash. Hi Astha. Hi Suruchi. Hi everyone. Hi Manas. Hi Random Girl. Hi Kusum. Hi Kamya. Hi all. How are you all guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? I am all good, Manas and Random Girl. What about you guys? Hi Gurmeet. How are you? Fine, Rahul. Good evening, Anurag. How are you? Hi, Pallavi. Hello, Kamya. Good evening, Kailash. Yes, Kamya, I do remember you. Ekdam badhiya, Nazia, okay? All good, Kailash? So, hi everyone. This is your accounts master teacher, MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, and A for ambitious. And I welcome all my lovely students to our channel Vedantu Commerce. तो आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे. And अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं, if you guys are new to our channel or if you are watching this face for the first time, then please take a moment to hit that red icon. Go and subscribe our channel right now for more such live classes. तो जल्दी से जाओ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो अगर आपको और ऐसी लाइव क्लासेस हमारे साथ देखनी है तो. Okay, Kamya, what happened to you, beta? Hi, Simran. Good evening. I am also good, Rahul. Good evening, Palak. So I hope that all of you have marked your attendance. Let me check it कि सबने अपनी attendance mark करी है या नहीं, सबने video like करी है या नहीं. Okay, we got 15 attendance. So well done, you all have marked it. If you have still not marked the attendance, then come on, go and mark it. So, as you all know, this is class 11th accountancy session. This is Udaan 2.0. And we are going to first discuss our homework, जो आपको previous class में हमने दिया था. And after this, we will start today's topic, that is retirement of bill. I will explain you all about retirement, the meaning, the journal entries. So, stay tuned till the end of this session. Now, how many of you have done the homework? Raise your hands. किस किसने होमवर्क किया है जो हमने लास्ट क्लास में करा था? In the last class there were 4 cases in the homework. I have done 3 and आपको I have done 1 and remaining 3 were given as homework. Okay, dengue. Anurag, great, you have done it. बाकी ने किया है या नहीं? Done all cases. Well done, Manas. No, Kamya. Astha done. Pallavi done. Random Girl done. Suruchi done. Okay. So most of the students have done it. So let's see what was the homework, those who have not done it. So this is your question, as you can see. Vimal purchased goods of rupees 25,000 from Kamal on January 15th, and he accepted a bill of exchange drawn upon him by Kamal, payable after 2 months. On the date of maturity, the bill was duly presented for payment. Vimal dishonored the bill. The case is of dishonor. The bill is dishonor. You have to pass the necessary journal entries in the books of Kamal and Vimal in these 4 cases. We have already covered the first case and remaining 3 were your homework. So we will be discussing those 3 cases. Now let's pay attention. Please pay attention, everyone. There are 2 parties, Kamal and Vimal. Vimal is purchasing goods, Kamal is selling goods. So the first entry will be for sales. Vimal account debit. एक minute, just give me a second. So the first entry will be Vimal account debit to sales account. This will be the first entry. The amount will be 25,000. This is the first entry for sales, and Vimal is purchasing goods. So entry will be purchases account debit to Kamal. How much? 25,000. Hi Ashutosh, please pay attention. Hi Geet, please pay attention on the question. Now, after that, on the same day, Kamal drew upon him a bill for 2 months. So the bill is drawn BR account debit to Vimal 25,000, 25,000. And Vimal accepted the same. So Kamal account debit to bills payable to BP 25,000, 25,000. These are the entries for the purchases and sale for the bill drawn and bill accepted. After that, we have to make the entries for the different cases. We will pass the entry for the different cases. So first case we have already done, guys. पहला case हमने already कर लिया था. Case number 1. The bill is retained by Kamal till the date of its maturity. So when the bill is retained till the dates of maturity, the entry for dishonor is drawee account debit, Vimal account debit to bills receivable 25,000, 25,000. Drawee account debit to bill receivable. Or the trick is, the simplest thing to learn it is pass the reverse entry. We have passed the reversed entry. When the bill was drawn, the entry was BR to Vimal. Now we are just passing the opposite entry, Vimal to BR. Similarly, in the books of drawee, in the books of Vimal, you will pass the reverse entry. It will be bills payable account debit to drawer to Kamal 25,000, 25,000. This is the first case जो हम last class में कर चुके थे. Now coming on to the homework, that is case number 2. The case number 2 was the bill was immediately discounted by Kamal with his bank at the rate 6%. जो आपका bill है, the bill was immediately discounted by Kamal with his bank at 6% per annum. First of all, you will pass the journal entry for bill discounted. So the journal entry will be bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to bill receivable. The bill is of 25,000. You will calculate the discounting charges. So 25,000 multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by the time period divided by 12. 6 multiplied by 2, 2 to 2 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Discounting charges are 250. कितने आए discounting charges? 250. So in the journal entry, we'll put the figures. Discounting charges debit 250 and balance will be received. It will be 24,750. So this is the entry when the bill is discounted with the bank. And at this time, there will be no entry in the books of Roy, in the books of Vimal. इस टाइम पे विमल की बुक्स में कोई भी एंट्री नहीं होगी. Now the bill got dishonored. In the same case, the bill got dishonored. So I told you this hint that entry in the books of Droy will be same in all the cases. Entry in the books of Droy will be same in all the cases. BP account debit to drawer 25,000, 25,000. It will be same. And Kamal will pass the journal entry Droy account debit, Vimal account debit to bank. He will take it from Vimal and he will pay it to the bank. वो विमल से पैसे लेगा और बैंक को पैसे दे देगा. The full amount 25,000 will be recorded. So well done, Manas. Congratulations, you have answered it correct. Well done, Nazia. Congratulations, both of you. So this is the entry for dishonor when the bill is discounted with the bank. Droy account debit to bank. Vimal account debit to bank. Coming on to the third case, guys. The third case is the bill was endorsed by Kamal in the favor of his creditor Sharad. The bill is endorsed to the creditor Sharad. The entry will be endorsee account debit, Sharad account debit to bill receivable. We are endorsing the bill. We are transferring the bill. So Sharad account debit to BR 25,000, 25,000. And when the bill is endorsed, there will be no entry in the books of Vimal. No entry will be passed in the books of Droy. And later on, the bill is endorsed, is dishonored. Later on, the bill is dishonored. So the entry in the books of Droy will be same as other cases. BP account debit to Kamal 25,000, 25,000. Entry in the books of Droy will be same in all the cases. But the entry in the books of Kamal will be Droy account debit, Vimal account debit to endorsee to Sharad. So Droy account debit to endorsee 25,000, 25,000. वो शरद से पैसे, विमल से पैसे लेगा और शरद को दे देगा. He will take it from Vimal and will pay it to Sharad. This is the entry for dishonor in the books of drawer when the bill is endorsed to the creditor. Well done, Astha. Well done, Manas. Congratulations, both of you. You have answered it absolutely correct. Coming on to case number 4, the last case, which says 5 days before its maturity. 5 days before its maturity. First, we will calculate the due date. The bill is drawn on 15th January for 2 months. So 15 January plus 2 months, it will be 15th of March. In 15th March, you will add 3 grace days. So the due date is 18th of March. Now 5 days before the maturity will be 13th of March. 5 days before the maturity will be 13th March. So on 13th March, the bill was sent by Kamal to his bank for collection. On 13th March, the bill is sent to the bank for collection. The entry will be bill sent for collection debit to bill receivable 25,000, 25,000. And there will be no entry in the books of drawing. After that, on the due date, 18th March, the bill got dishonored. So, drawee will pass the same entry in all the cases. BP account debit to drawer to Kamal 25,000, 25,000. Drawee will pass the same entry in all the cases, and the entry in the books of drawer in the books of Kamal will be drawee account debit to bill sent for collection. Drawee account debit to bill sent for collection 25,000, 25,000. So these are the 4 cases, and these are the entries when the bill get dishonored. So as you can see, in all the entries of dishonor, drawer is debiting drawee. In all the cases, drawer will debit drawee. Vimal is debited in all the entries of dishonor. So this was your homework. Is it clear to everyone? सबको समझ आया? Yes or no? Yes, Sumit. Yes, Ashutosh. Yes, Pallavi. Yes, Nazia. Makhan clear. Okay. Okay. So it's clear to everyone. Now coming on to today's session. So let's continue the same chapter, bills of exchange. And the topic for today's session is retirement of bill. आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? What is retirement of bill? So first I'll explain you the meaning and then we'll move to the theory part. So are you all ready for this session? Are we ready to learn the meaning of retirement? Yes or no? No, Kaushik, we have many other topics in this chapter like retirement, like renewal of bill, like insolvency of drawee. We have 2 more topics to cover. After that, your chapter will be over. Right now, this is not the last session. Ready, Nazia. Okay. Hi, Satish. Ready, Sumit. Ready, Ashutosh, Pallavi, Suruchi. Everyone is ready, huh? Okay. So let's start with the meaning now, and I'll again get invisible. So taking an example, A on 15th of January. On 15th of January 2021, A drew a bill upon B for 2 months. The bill is drawn for 2 months. So we know that the due date will be, what will be the due date? We have just calculated it in the previous question. The due date will be 18th March 2021. Now please pay attention everyone. There are 2 cases. The drawee B, जो B है, जो drawee है, इसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा है. He has surplus fund, he has excess funds. उसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा था. So he decided to make the payment. He decided to make the payment before the due date. He decided to pay money before due date on 18th of February. Now, If he wants to make payment before the due date, first he will take the consent of drawer. उसको पहले क्या चाहिए होगा? First he need the consent of A. पहले वो किसकी परमिशन लेगा? A की परमिशन लेगा. That may I pay you in advance? May I pay you on 18th of February? Only if drawer give the acceptance, then he will pay the amount before the due date. And this is known as retirement of bill. This is known as what? This is retirement of bill. When the payment is made before the due date, it is called as retirement of bill. So यहाँ पे Droy himself decided. Droy is himself taking the initiative to make the payment. We are not putting any force on him. हमने कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं करी, कोई जोर नहीं डाला उस पे कि नहीं तुझे तो पैसा देना पड़ेगा. We did nothing. He himself came to us and he requested us to accept the payment before the due date. Now coming on to the second case, which is again very important. A drawer, he needs money on 18th of February. A drawer needs money on 18th of February. So we are requesting B, we are requesting Droy to make payment in advance. अब यहाँ पर B अपने आप पेमेंट नहीं कर रहा. B is not taking the initiative himself. We are the one who is requesting him to make the payment. हम बोल रहे हैं B को कि देखो भाई हमें पैसे की जरूरत है, आप हमें पहले पैसे दे दो. B बोलेगा जा यहाँ से, मेरे पास कोई पैसा वैसा नहीं है. B क्या करेगा? जाओ और मजे लो, मैं तो पैसे कब दूंगा? I will make the payment exactly on the due date 18th of March. तो आप क्या बोलोगे कि चलो कोई नहीं, घी सीधी उंगली से नहीं निकलेगा तो टेढ़ी उंगली करनी पड़ेगी. So you will give some discount to him. You will give some discount to Droy to him to encourage the payment. आप क्या बोलोगे कि अगर तू जल्दी पैसे देगा तो तेरे को डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, तेरी मौज आएगी और तुझे कम पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. So now it is retirement of bill. You are receiving the money before the due date, but at the same time you are giving some discount. So this discount is known as rebate. इसी को क्या बोला जाता है? Rebate. And this is known as retirement of bill under rebate. ये क्या है? Retirement of bill under rebate. तो अगर ड्रॉई अपने आप पैसा दे रहा है तो हमें रिबेट देने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to give any discount, any rebate. But if you needs money, you are the one who is requesting to retire the bill, तो आपको क्या देना पड़ेगा? You have to give some rebate to encourage the early payment. So this is known as rebate. When drawer asks the Droy to make payment before the due date, he should give some discount, that is rebate. So this is the difference between retirement of bill and retirement of bill under rebate. Yes Manas, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. बोलेंगे चल मैं तेरे को पार्टी दूंगा, तू पैसे जल्दी दे दे. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Upender. Clear, Manas. Yes, Pallavi. Pallavi Singh Chauhan, you have the option on YouTube to review the videos again, to watch it again. So आपको सिर्फ वीडियो को थोड़ा पीछे से दोबारा देखना पड़ेगा and you will be able to understand the topic again. On YouTube, we are not allowed to repeat anything because if the students are watching the recorded session, they may find it difficult to watch the same topic again and again. So, now let's come to the theoretical meaning कि यहाँ क्या लिखा है, जो मैम ने बताया था सेम वो चीज लिखी है या नहीं लिखी. तो चलिए पढ़ते हैं अब क्या लिखा है. A bill of exchange is usually honored only on the maturity date. बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज की पेमेंट यूजुअली कब होती है, ड्यू डेट पे होती है, सही लिखा है. बट इन सम केसेस it can be honored, the payment can be made before time, before the due date. And if the payment is made before time, if the payment is made before due date, this is known as retirement of bill. So if the payment is made before due date, it is called as retirement of bill. यही बताया था मैंने. अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे. अगली स्लाइड में क्या लिखा है, इट मे हैपन, ऐसा हो सकता है, दैट ड्रॉई हैज सरप्लस फंड. ड्रॉई जो है वो मिस्टर अंबानी की तरह है, उसके पास बहुत सारा ढेर सारा पैसा है. सो ही मे डिसाइड, वो सोच सकता है, डिसाइड कर सकता है, टू पे द अमाउंट बिफोर द डेट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी. बट क्या ऐसा होगा कि उसके पास पैसे थे, वो गया और पैसे दे आया? नहीं. इवन इफ यू हैव सरप्लस फंड, देन ऑल्सो it is compulsory to take the consent of drawer. आपको पहले ड्रॉर से परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी कि भैया मैं आपको पैसे दूं पहले या ना दूं, आप लोगे पैसे या नहीं लोगे. So you have to take the permission of drawer. So does he ask the drawer on or the holder whether he is ready to accept the payment before the due date or not? वो तैयार है या नहीं. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं ना, आप बोल रहे हो कि 5 लाख रुपए आज ले लो और वो कहीं शादी में जा रहा है, तो वो कहेगा नहीं नहीं आज तो पैसे नहीं लूंगा, मैं शादी में जा रहा हूँ, पता चले घर से कोई लूट के ले जाए पैसे. सो यू हैव टू टेक द कॉन्सेंट ऑफ ड्रॉर. Then this is the second case which I have told you, retirement of bill under rebate. So in order to encourage the drawer to pay the bill before the maturity date, अगर ड्रॉर को पैसे पहले चाहिए और ड्रॉई नहीं पे कर रहा है एडवांस में, तो इन ऑर्डर टू एनकरेज द पेमेंट द ड्रॉर गिव्स हिम सम डिस्काउंट. आपको क्या देना पड़ेगा, उसको लालच देना पड़ेगा कि देख ड्रॉई, अगर तू मुझे आज पैसे एडवांस में देगा तो मैं तुझे स्टार्टर्स खिलाऊंगा, मैं तुझे जो भी तू चाइनीज में खाएगा वो खिलाऊंगा, या मैं तुझे कोई पार्टी में लेके जाऊंगा, और आई विल गिव यू 10,000 रुपीज डिस्काउंट. तो यू आर गिविंग सम डिस्काउंट, आप उसको लालच दे रहे हो कि तू जल्दी पेमेंट करेगा तो तुझे डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. So this is what? This is retirement of bill under rebate. This discount is known as rebate on bill. Thus, we calculate the rebate. How will you calculate the rebate? Satish, this is not a non-academic session. This is academic session where I can't discuss things like how to prepare for CA, what to do for that. If you want to know how to prepare for CA, we have prepared some separate classes for that. You can go to our channel and search those videos. But in this session, I can't help you on this. So please don't disturb the session. So, how will you calculate the rebate? Please pay attention. We calculate rebate on bill at a certain rate. I hope that you remember the calculation of discounting charges. So the calculation of rebate is exactly same as the calculation of discounting charges. जैसे हम discounting charges calculate करते थे, same तरीके से rebate calculate होगा. So rebate is calculated as amount of bill multiplied by certain rate will be given in the question for the time between the date of payment and date of maturity. So you will multiply with the unexpired period divided by 12. The same formula will be used for rebate as well, and this was also used for discounting charges. So amount of bill multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by unexpired period. So drawer will give some discount to drawee to encourage the payment before due date, and this discount is known as rebate, which is calculated in the same manner as discounting charges. Both the cases are equally important, Manas. It may come in the exam before, without rebate or with rebate. So both are equally important. So is the meaning of retirement clear to everyone? यहाँ तक सबको समझ आया? Yes or no? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Let me know in the chat box. Thumbs up, clear. Thumbs down, not clear. Easy to learn, easy to understand. Thank you, Ashutosh. Thumbs up, Manas. Clear, Suruchi, Sumit, Nazia, Sudha, Pallavi. Clear, Anurag. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. So now coming on to the main part, that is accounting treatment. What will be the accounting treatment? क्या accounting treatment होगी? चलिए बात करते हैं accounting treatment की. These are the books of drawer and these are the books of drawee as of now. Now, first of all, the goods are sold. On 15th January, the goods are sold. The entry will be drawee account debit to sales. 10,000, 10,000. Drawee is purchasing goods. The entry will be purchases account debit to drawer. 10,000, 10,000. Then on the same date, 15th of January, the bill was drawn. So bill receivable account debit to drawee. BR account debit to drawee, 10,000, 10,000. Then bill was accepted by drawee. So drawer account debit to bills payable, 10,000, 10,000. Well done, Sumit, Upender. Both of you are answering it. Great efforts. Now, the bill is drawn for 2 months. The bill was drawn for 2 months. So, the due date was 18th of March. But the bill is retired on 18th of February under rebate. So, the bill is retired on 18th February under rebate. So, what will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be bank account debit. Drawer is giving rebate. मैं कोई discount दे रही हूँ. It is a loss for me. If I am giving discount, it is a loss for me. So, drawer will debit rebate. Rebate on bill debit to bill receivable. BR account debit, rebate account debit to bill receivable. Out of 10,000, I have given 500 rebate. So 10,000 में से 500 रुपए तो गए, बचे कितने? 9,500. And in the books of drawee, the journal entry will be BP account debit to rebate on bill. Drawee is receiving rebate. Drawee is receiving discount. It is income for drawee. All the income and gains are credited. So rebate will be credited in the books of drawee to bank. So BP account debit 10,000, rebate received is 500 and the balance will be paid 9,500. यहाँ पे in this question I have directly taken, I have assumed the amount of rebate, but in the question it will be given to you, the percentage will be given to you in the question. So don't worry, question में आपको सब कुछ given होगा. So these are the journal entries. Bank account debit, rebate account debit to BR in the books of drawer, and BP account debit to rebate on bill to bank in the books of drawer. Please have a look at it, guys. If you have any doubts in the journal entries, you may ask it. कोई भी doubt है तो please पूछ लो. Laddu clear. Okay, Sumit. Clear, Upender. Great. नोट्स जल्दी ही मिलेंगे नाजिया. No, Ashutosh, you have to only use the word rebate. हम डिस्काउंट कतई नहीं लिख सकते वरना मार्क्स कट जाएंगे. We have to only use the word rebate. So let me show you the journal entries. This is the journal entry in the books of drawer. Bank account debit, rebate on bill account debit to bill receivable. ये journal entry होगी in the books of drawer, and the journal entry in the books of drawer will be bills payable account debit to rebate to bank. Now it's time to solve some questions. तो चलिए अब question part पे चलते हैं and let's try some questions to see that whether we have understood the topic or not. Topic समझ आया या नहीं check कर लेते हैं. So now it's time to solve some question and here you have your question number 1. So अब मैं हो जाती हूँ गायब क्योंकि we have to solve the question. On 15th of June, A sold goods to B. A is drawer, B is drawee. So on 15th of June, goods are sold. Entry will be B account debit to sales account 20,000 and 20,000. Similarly, B is purchasing goods. Entry will be purchase account debit to A. How much? 20,000 and 20,000. Done? After that, well done guys. Well done Manas, Jishnu, Manas, Sarika, Upender, Sumit, Nazia. Well done. You guys are putting really hard efforts. So, great. After that, B paid 10,000 in cash. B paid 10,000 in cash. The journal entry will be A account debit to cash 10,000, 10,000. And A is receiving money. So on 15th June, A is receiving money. Cash account debit to B 10,000, 10,000. This is the second entry. After that, B accepted a bill for remaining amount for 3 months. The bill is drawn for the remaining amount 10,000. Out of 20,000, we have already received 10,000. So remaining amount is 10,000. So bill is drawn. BR account debit to B 10,000, 10,000, and B will accept the same. So entry will be A account debit to bills payable to BP 10,000, 10,000. Now the bill is drawn for 3 months. So 15th June plus 3 months. It will be 15th of September. In 15 September, you will add 3 days. Your due date will be 18th of September. This is the due date. But on 18th August, 1 month before the due date, on 18th August, 1 month before the due date, B retired the bill under a rebate of 6%. So you have to calculate the rebate. We will calculate the rebate. Amount of bill 10,000. Rate is 6%. And the unexpired period. The time period between 18th August and 18th September. कितना unexpired period है? 1 month. So amount of bill multiplied by 6 upon 100 multiplied by time left. कितना time बचा है? 1 महीना. So 1 month. 6 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 5. 0 to 0 cancel. The rebate is 50 rupees. The rebate is 50 rupees, not 500. Sumit. It is 50 rupees. Now we'll pass the journal entry on 18th August. We'll pass the journal entry on 18th August. Bank account debit, rebate on bill, debit to BR. The bill is of 10,000. The rebate is 50 rupees. Rebate कितनी है? 50 rupees. So how much he will receive? 9,950 rupees. Similarly, drawee will pass the journal entry on 18th August. BP account debit 10,000 to rebate on bill. To rebate on bill 50. And to bank, he will pay the balance 9,950. So well done, Sumit. Well done, Suruchi, Manas. Congratulations. Well done, guys. This is your solution. BP account debit to rebate to bank. So this is your complete solution for this question. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Sabko samajh aaya? Yes or no? Makhan clear. Great, Sarika. Super clear, Upender. Crystal clear, Sumit. No, Aru. Who said that retirement and renewal are deleted? It isn't deleted, beta. The complete chapter is coming in your syllabus. Nothing, not a single topic is deleted. Clear to all? So let me show you the solution then. Cross check कर लेते हैं, सही बताया मैम ने, नहीं बताया. These are the books of A. The first two entries are combined. Then this is the entry for billed on, and this is the entry for rebate. Cash debit, rebate on bill debit to BR. Same, the books of B. The first two entries are combined. Purchases to cash, purchases to A. Then second entry, bill is accepted. And third entry, the amount is paid under rebate. BP to rebate to cash. So finally, we have completed another topic of bills of exchange. Now, if you guys are facing any of these problems during your classes, like you are having doubts, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, या फिर there is no conceptual clarity, the concepts are not clear, or you want to solve more questions, you want to solve more assignments, या फिर आपको सिलेबस में आप बहुत पीछे चल रहे हो, या फिर आपको सिलेबस अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है. So if you are facing any of these problems, then we have one solution for all these problems. इन सारी problems का हमारे पास एक solution है, that is Vedantu's live and interactive classes. So yes, our term 2 batches are live now, where I will be teaching you the entire syllabus of term 2. And if you want to complete the entire term 2 syllabus in the similar manner, then you can join our term 2 live classes. Now, what makes this Vedantu classes different than YouTube? What makes it special than other teachers and than other platforms? So, at Vedantu, we are conducting live online classes with high-level quizzes. At YouTube, we are just covering the syllabus. You are not getting prepared for CA, for competitive exam. But if you are joining our live classes, we will have high-level quizzes also that will help you in cracking the competitive exam easily. Not only this, you can ask all your doubts instantly. All your doubts will be solved instantly. And we will cover your entire syllabus with the help of topic-wise assignments, with the help of handwritten notes. And we will also take your mock test so that we can improve your percentage. तो नाजिया, अगर आपको स्कूल में कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा, आपको सिलेबस दोबारा से करना है, you can join the Vedantu sessions and I promise you that everything will be clear to you and definitely you will be scoring good marks. तो अगर स्कूल में आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा है या स्कूल में आप बहुत आगे जा चुके हो लेकिन आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आया या फिर आपको और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं, we at Vedantu promise you that these classes are definitely going to help you guys. That's why we are conducting these live batches. So what you have to do is you have to go to the link given in the description box. तो आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ description box पे जाना है. Let me show you. This is your YouTube session. Below the video, this is your description box. So open the description box. And you will open it. Either it will appear or at the same place or it will appear on the right hand side as it is appearing on my screen. Now this is your description box. Scroll down. And here I can see the link. CBSE Term 2 Full Syllabus. So click on this link. When you will click on this link, full syllabus wala link, you will come to our website. And when you come to our website, scroll down again. जैसे आप scroll down करोगे, it will ask you to choose your plan. So from here, you can choose your plan that whether you want to enroll for Pro Lite या फिर Pro Classic. आपको क्या लेना है, Pro Lite लेना है या Pro Classic लेना है. अब बहुत सारे बच्चों को मतलब नहीं पता होता कि मैम प्रो लाइट क्या है, प्रो क्लासिक क्या है. तो प्रो लाइट प्रो क्लासिक ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. जो मेजर डिफरेंस है वो ये है, इन प्रो लाइट यू कैन आस्क डाउट्स ड्यूरिंग क्लास इन द लाइव सेशन. बट अगर आपको डाउट्स पूछने हैं क्लासेस के बाद, लाइक बहुत सारे बच्चे रात को पढ़ाई करते हैं, सुबह जल्दी पढ़ाई करते हैं, तब आपको अगर डाउट आता है, Then you can ask doubts on mobile app also. So you can ask doubts on mobile app, and for that you have to take Pro Classic, because doubt solving on mobile app is only available in Pro Classic, not in Pro Lite. Now these are the prices as you can see on the screen. The prices of Pro Lite is 11,699 for the entire term 2 syllabus for all the 4 subjects. In 11,699, we are providing you all the 4 subjects and the term 2 full syllabus. You can also take a trial for 15 days at a cost of only 899. Similarly, these are the prices of Pro Classic. 13,499 for entire term 2 syllabus of all these subjects, and you can take a trial for 15 days at 1170 rupees. In this price, we are providing you everything. We are providing you live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes also. At the end of every class, at the end of every session, you will be getting assignments and notes at Vedantu. Then you will be getting doubt solving during class in Pro Lite. But if you want doubt solving on mobile app, then it is only available in Pro Classic. And if you want to get flat 10% discount on these prices, then you can use our code SCPRO. So this is our code which you can use for flat 10% off. So do check out the links given in the description box below. All the links are provided in description box. So you're welcome, guys. Those who are thanking me, thank you so much to you too for joining the session and making it special. Now coming on to the homework part. So I request you all to please do the homework, as most of you are not doing it. So this is the homework for today's session, and it is related to the same topic, retirement. So you all will be able to solve it, but you have to give it some time. Upender, we are working on YouTube notes as of now. We are working on the Telegram channel. Once it is completed, we'll let you know. Right now, we are not providing notes on YouTube because we are facing some glitch with Telegram group. 21st February, I can't say anything right now, Sanskar, because syllabus abhi काफी सारा रह रहा है, so I can't make fake promises as of now. We'll try our best to complete it till February. So that's it for today, guys. We have completed another topic, retirement. And in next class, we will be discussing the different topic, the next topic, renewal of bill. So stay tuned for the next session that will be on, aaj kya day hai? Maybe it's Wednesday today. So next session will be most probably on Friday, day after tomorrow at same time 7 p.m. You're welcome, Upender. तो अगला सेशन फ्राइडे को होगा 7 बजे. So if you want to become a pro in all the subject, you know what you have to do is do enroll yourself for the Vedantu's live and interactive classes, जहां मैं आपको मिलूंगी डेली लाइव क्लासेस में विद अकाउंटेंसी टर्म 2 सिलेबस. तो अगर आपको हमसे डेली पढ़ना है, आप अपना टर्म 2 का पूरा सिलेबस हमारे साथ करना है, so here is the solution. So use our code SCPRO and get flat 10% off on all the courses. Today is Thursday, then Saturday ko hoga. It will be on Saturday then. It will be on alternate days na. So if today is Thursday, it will be on Saturday at 7 p.m. So in case you guys are new to our channel, और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो जल्दी से जाओ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि आप हमारे साथ ऐसी और ढेर सारी लाइव क्लासेस देख पाओ. So do subscribe our channel, and yes, do hit the like button and do share it with your friends. So like, share and subscribe. Now we'll see you all in the next class on Saturday at same time 7 p.m. Till then, stay home and stay safe. stop the spread of corona, because दोबारा से cases बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. The only thing that we can do is stay home. So घर रहो, emergency भी हो तब भी बाहर मत जाओ, क्योंकि वरना कोरोना हो जाएगा और बीमार पड़े रहोगे. So bye bye everyone, bye all of you, we'll see you all in the next class, and thank you so much for watching this video, for giving me your valuable time, and we'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye, good night, have sweet dreams, and take care of yourself.